Manchester car dealer shot at bar. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Mandeville, Manchester are probing the murder of Devon Henry, a 38-year-old car dealer at a bar in Hatfield on Tuesday night. Henry, otherwise called Shortman of Jorderidge District in the parish, was among patrons at the bar when gunmen struck around 8:30 p.m. He suffered a gunshot wound to the left side of his body. Henry was rushed to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. A day after the car dealer was shot and killed during an incident in Hatfield, Manchester, the police are reporting that they have recovered a firearm and several rounds of ammunition. Police report indicate that on Tuesday, April the 19th, officers were summoned to a plaza in the community at approximately 9 p.m. Upon their arrival, the police found a man suffering from gunshot wounds. He was assisted to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Following their investigation, lawmen returned to the scene of the crime early Wednesday morning, where a Bresser 9mm pistol loaded with 9mm rounds of ammunition was found in close proximity to where the shooting occurred the earlier night. No one has been arrested in connection with the gun find or the murder. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.